Hello guys, it's me, your 2.0 JT. So now we're gonna play my game called Get Pet. And this is version beta. Okay, so we're gonna start the game. But first, let me show you the families. So this is the common family. This is the Rare family. And this is the Epic family. And that one on the bottom right is the VIP character. And let's start the game. So as you can see, I'm getting scores. So we can buy the common ones. So if you have to hear the baby music at the background, because my baby sister is watching. So we can get rain wave. Oh. So we can get rain wave. We're gonna get all of the characters here. So we got rain wave. So we got rain wave. The upper right is rain wave. Rain wave is at the left. The upper left. Gonna buy this guy. Oh, Dark Age. So that was Dark Age. So the one on the upper meter is Dark Age. So, oops. So we can get now Hypnostorm. Hypnostorm is at the top right of the screen. And Rain Wave is at the left corner of the screen, and Dark Age is at the upper center. We can buy Magma Ice. That's Magma Ice. And we can get these. And we can get this one. I'm apologizing again for the baby music at the background. And we got Dark Light. There we go. So Dark Light is at the bottom middle of the screen. And Magma Ice is at the bottom corner. It's at the bottom left corner of the screen. Oops, that's the VIP. So we're done for here. And now we're on to Rare. The VIP is like 999 score. So I'm not gonna get him. Oh, so we got Torchlight. We got Torchlight on accident. Torchlight is at the top middle of the screen. He's at the top middle of the screen. Nope. Can I get this guy? Oh, there we go. We have Toxic Acid. We got Toxic Acid. So don't forget, this is the Rare family. And this is the Epic family. So it's gonna get tougher and tougher. It's gonna get tougher and tougher every single round. Or every single family. I apologize again to the baby music at the background, okay? It's not my fault. My baby sister's watching. And we got Dr. Brain. That's Dr. So Toxic Acid is at the top left of the screen. And Torchlight. Yes, Torchlight is at the top middle of the screen. And Dr. Brain is at the top right corner of the screen. So can we buy this now? So now we have Cold Snow. We got Cold Snow. This is the fourth time saying this. I apologize for the baby music at the background. Can I get this? So snow ice is at so cold ice is at the bottom. Cold ice is at the bottom left of the screen. We got Dark Scar. That was long. So now we're on to the Epic family. And Dark Scar is at the bottom. Dark Scar is at the bottom. Dark Scar is at the bottom middle of the screen. Okay. So this one is much tougher. This one is much tougher because there is, you know, let's just wait. We got Flying Star. We got Flying Star. I don't know this if I messed up the code, but I don't know if so Flying Star is at the bottom left of the screen. And on top of him, I don't know. So Flying Star is at the left corner, bottom left corner of the screen. And I don't know what, and I don't know which one. And I forgot the name. I forgot the name of the pet above him. Gotta be quiet for a second, okay? I need a deep breath. There we go. We have Stone Gold. So yes. Titi.
Ano, nakatulog ka na rin? Ha? Hindi, nakatulog ka na.
So Stone Gold is at the upper left of the screen. Okay? This is gonna get super long. We're already 8 minutes past. Nope. You might be questioning why does the guy on the top? You might be saying why is the other guy on the top? You might be saying why is the other guy looking at the Minecraft logo? The one on the top right of the corner. Sinasar mo pa ako? Hindi. Inulit ko itong video ito. Lagot ka. Hindi na. Kaya mo. Oh. There we go. We got Color Pet. Color Pet is the top middle of the screen. Okay, and this is my 5th time. So I'm apologizing to the baby music because of the background, okay? God, it's gonna take so long. We're already 9 past through. 9 minutes past. There Remember this guy now? Oh yes, we got rejected colors. And we're gonna start over again to get that Minecraft kind of thing. It's not actually a Minecraft, okay? The one on the top right of the screen, it's not actually like I'm not copying the Minecraft logo. It's kind of like a tree fallen. It's a tree like kind of fold. You know what I'm talking about? Like, do you know when there's a huge storm, trees falls? You know what I'm talking about, right? And that's kind of like that on the top right. And I didn't copy the Minecraft logo. It's like a tree that fold because of a storm. It's kind of like a forest kind of thing, okay? And there we go. We got 3 foot. And that's everything for now. Bye.